Good morning, class. So today we start the exercise 1.2, question number 1. In 1.2, the concept of LCM and HCF will be used. Okay. So what is the question number 1? Express each number as a product of its prime factors. We have to express each number in the form of the product of its prime factors. Very easy question. First one is what? 140. These two I will do, 140 and 156, and that fourth one I will do. Third and fifth is your homework. So 140, first one is 140. So find the prime factors like that. I think you all know how to find this one by taking the 2 7s are 40, 2 7s are 14, 0 as it is, and 2 3s are 6, 35 will come after the table of 5 7s are 35, and that last 7. So what are the factors? What are the factors of 140? That 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. These are the factors. Or we can also write 2 square into 5 into 7. This is the question. This is the question only. Second is 156. How we have to do this one? 156. 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, that 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are after the table of 3, 3 1s are 3 3s are, and at the last 13. Again the factor is 156, 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Again 2 square is there, square, and 3 into 13. The fourth part is what? That 5005. 5005 by the table of 5 only. 5 1s are 5, 0 as it is, 0 as it is, 1. After that, what do you think, which table? That if you take the 7 table, look at it carefully, that 7 1s are 7, 3 is the remainder, 3 will go there, 7 4s are 28, 2 is the remainder, 2 go 21, so we can do by the 7. So 7 1s are 7, 8 9 10, it is 30, 7 4s are 28, 2 is the remainder, 21, 7 3s are 21, 143. After it, which table? What do you think? 11, I think. That 11 1s are 11, 3 is the remainder, 33, 13 times, and at the last 13 table. So what are the factor? 5, 7, 11, and 13. These are the factors. Now we go for the question number 2. Second is what? Find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. Now here one thing came. A formula is there. First I explain that formula. Then we go for the question number 2. When we take LCM into HCF, LCM lowest common multiple, HCF highest common factor. They both, when we multiply both the numbers, it is equal to the product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. This is the formula. Suppose if I take the two numbers like 2 and 8, if you multiply 2 and 8, answer is came 16. Same as answer came when you multiply the LCM and HCF of 2 and 8. I think it will be clear afterwards when we do the questions. So mark this formula. LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. Now we go for the question number 2. Second is what? Two numbers are given, that 26 and 91. These two numbers are there. So we go for find the LCM and HCF first. How we find the LCM and HCF? First take the prime factorization. That 26, 2 1s are 2 3s are, that 13 1, this much only. Then 91, I think by the table of 7, 7 1s are 7 3s are, and 13. This is the, now what the answer came of 26, 2 and 13. What the answer came of 91? 7 and 13. Now we have to take the LCM and HCF. Easy one is the HCF. HCF is very easy. HCF is what? What is the common? Common is called the HCF. Here also 13, here also 13. So 13 is the LCM. Now we go for the LCM. LCM a little bit tough. What is it? Now check the numbers. How many times 2 came? 1 only. So you have to take the maximum number of who come. Like here 2 comes 1 time, 13 come 1 time only, 7 also come 1 time, and 13 also came 1 time. All are the 1 time. So you have to take only 1 time. 2 into 7 into 13. Suppose look at this. If here 1 more 2 is there, let 1 more 2 is there. So here now 2 comes 2 times. So we have to take the maximum times. 1 more 2 will come here. It will be clear when we do the 2 to 3 questions. Then it will be clear. Don't worry about that LCM. Now 2 7s are that 14 and 14 into 13. So answer when you multiply it you will get 182. Now this is the HCF and LCM. One more part is there, that 510 and 92. If you go for the second part, 510 and 92. Third part is your homework. That 510 and 92 we will do. So take the 510 LCM first. Prime factorization. 2 2s are 4, that 2 5s are 10, and 2 5s are 10. After which table we go 5. 3 also we can take. 3 8s are 24. 3 we can take. That is 3 8s are 24. 1 will be carry here. 3 5s are 15. After that, now we go for the 5. That 5 1s are 5. 6 7 8 3 is here. 5 7s are 35 and 17 1. These are the prime factors. Now we go for 92. 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 2 3s are, and at the last 23 only, because 23 will not come in any table. 510, 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, and 92, 2 into 2 into 23. First HCF, very easy. What is the common here? If you go for what is the common here, 2 here, 2 here, only 2 is the common. So HCF is 2. Now LCM. Now it should be clear here. Look at it. Here 2 comes 1 time only, and here 2 comes 2 times. So where 2 comes maximum time? Here. So we have to take these 2. 2 into 2. 3 come only 1 time. So we have to take the maximum 3 only. 5 also 1 time. Maximum 5 only. 17 also 1 time. And 23 also 1 time. So after you multiply, you will get the answer that 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 into 17, and 17 into 23. So when you multiplied all, you will get the answer like 2 3 4 6 0. This is your LCM. So after that, third part is your homework, this one. And one more thing which I not done here, that verification. How to verify that LCM and HCF. This I will do right now after this question. So you will get this one after I do here. LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. Now look at that. LCM, this is the first part, LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. What is the LCM came? 182. What is the HCF came? 13. Now what are the two numbers? Look at this. What is the two number here in this question? 26 and 91. Now when you multiplied both these numbers, the answer and the answer of these two are always same. This is the verification only. When you multiply these two, the answer will get 2 3 6 6, and when you multiply these two, the answer is also 2 3 6 6. Now come on this one. Same here, LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. What is the LCM came here? 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. And what is the HCF here? That is 2. What are the two numbers? See the question. What are the two numbers? That 510 and 92. 510 and 92. When you multiply these two numbers, the answer should be same only. Answer is that 46920. Here also answer will become 46920. Check it. When you multiply, you will get the same answer. So this is the third part. Try to do this one also. Question number third, very easy, same as it is as question number second, but in this one we don't need to verify the HCF and LCM. Same as it is question of second. Question number third we will do tomorrow. So thank you class.